Hey, folks, we're going to wrap it all up with this second law of thermodynamics. There's some really exciting stuff that's going to happen. Uh, I'm excited by it. Maybe you're like, what the hell has Harmon been talking about for the last hour? It's going to get exciting because we're going to put all of this stuff together. And what we're going to start seeing, and this will probably be more into the next section on chapter 4, we're going to see how physical observables, things like melting, boiling, other like extremely fundamental properties of the universe, how they all come together from these equations, from the Maxwell relations, the first law of thermodynamics, the second law of thermodynamics. It's all going to come together. And when we have something as powerful as the fundamental equation, we know that this is important stuff. So what is the fundamental equation? Well, first I'm going to start by writing the first law. du equals dq plus dw. Okay, that's our first law. Okay. We also know from the second law, and there's a number of ways we can write the second law, but one of those is dq reversible equals TdS, okay? Second law, okay? I'm also gonna write that dW reversible, we're just collecting all these equations that might help us out, is negative PdV. And now I'm gonna combine all of these equations into one master equation called the fundamental equation. And you know, when we're combining the first law and the second law into a master equation, this is super important, okay? So how does this go? So this says now, du equals, okay, well, I'm gonna say, we're gonna make this a closed system for one. So that gives us the canonical, all right? Wow, I can't write it all. Canonical, right? The canonical system is our closed system that can exchange heat but not number of moles. Okay, and so now I can rewrite this dq reversible right up here as TdS. Okay, and I can rewrite, you know, if I'm saying this is all reversible, that's what makes it closed. Okay, then I can say negative PdV. There it is. du equals TdS minus PdV. That's a super important equation, and you're about to see why.